Hey you, I don't like it here on the ground. I am between the trash, make a throne for me.
Those machines want me to do everything for them. I will go see what the problem is. Hello, Prusa, I'm here.
Finally you are here, what is your plan?
Okay, I'll explain the plan to you. This is the current room. First, I cut the long tubes to the same length as the distance between the walls. Between those tubes, I will weld 5 tubes with the help of Waldo the welding machine. Hopefully he will help me. Then I will mount a white shiny worktop on this black frame. I will put you in the corner of the new desk afterwards. Is this okay for you?
Okay, I like your plan.
I start by repainting everything. Afterwards, I will take all the measurements that I need to cut all the tubes at the correct length. I cut out all the tubes, but I have a problem. The tubes are not long enough, so I need to weld them together. I cut all the rest of the tubes so I can start welding with Waldo.
Flip the switch, dumbass. Hello, I am the welding machine. What should I weld for you, sir?
Thank you, Waldo. I like to weld some tubes. Is it possible for you?
Okay, I will do that for you, but first you have to fix the profiles, otherwise they will warp. Good job, I am proud of you. No, you can't weld wood. You're learning fast, metal is the way to go. Oh wait, can you give me some more?
Okay, I will set it to 70.
That is a nice spot weld.
Thanks, Waldo, but you are doing the heavy lifting.
Good job.
I want to make it smooth and shiny, so spin me around.
Come on, shake me baby, shake it, shake it.
Happy now?
Oh thank you so much, this is the dream of all 3D printers. Call me if you need me to print something.